Hey, I'm AD Dolphin. I'm the CEO of Dherbs.com. I get lots of questions about herbs. Look, today I'm gonna set the record straight. I do not sell dime bags. There is no product that Dherbs makes with marijuana in it. Period. But I get it. Health can be super confusing. So today we're gonna find out what's fact and what's fiction about marijuana. Hey AD, I just found out that I'm pregnant, but I like to get my smoke on. It helps me to relax. Is it true that sparking up a joint while pregnant is bad for the baby? What the f***? This is a fact. Of course it's a fact, Chanel. You cannot smoke while pregnant. Smoking weed during pregnancy is like drinking alcohol or smoking cigarettes. You're talking about issues your kid could possibly have, like delayed reading, depression, also attention problems. And I know what you're gonna ask me next. Can you smoke weed while breastfeeding? No, stop it. THC is the active ingredient in marijuana. It can build up in your breast milk. Little Johnny's getting high. Stop it. Next question. Yo AD, I hang out with my two brothers who smoke all day. I'm talking wake and bake and bedtime bowls. I hang out with them a lot, but I don't smoke. I don't think that I'm damaging my lungs around all that smoke. It's not like secondhand smoke from cigarettes, right? It seems much safer. Please let me know. Bedtime bowls, Victor? It's funny, but it's fiction. Secondhand smoke from anything, I don't care what you're smoking, is not good for your lungs, period. There's carcinogens and toxins in marijuana smoke. If you're hanging around your brothers, then therefore you're breathing in those carcinogens, and those carcinogens can cause cancer. Since they're obviously addicted, give them the smokeless formula from Dherbs. Can definitely move them in a healthier path. Let's make sure we're staying safe out there. Next question. Hey AD, I don't talk about my weed habit very much, but I feel comfortable asking you about this. I'm not going to lie and say that I'm a part-time smoker. I smoke every day. Sometimes I want to go a couple days without it, but then I hit my vape pen. Is weed addictive? I feel like it isn't, but maybe it is. Andre, thanks for being honest. It's hard to admit when you're addicted to something. I used to be addicted to soda, so I get it. But this is a fact. Marijuana is absolutely addictive. People who smoke weed for long periods of time will definitely feel withdrawal symptoms when they try to quit. This can include mood swings, sleep difficulties, food cravings, or irritability. Since weed is more readily available, more people are smoking, including teens, and also 30% of the people who do smoke are addicted. The reason why people are addicted to marijuana is because of the THC. So therefore, if you do want to smoke, look to CBD, which is not addictive. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section or email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. See you next time for Fact or Fiction.